Well, good morning to you from the town of Azay-le-Ferron and the barn of Harry Faber. Now, that little tune that I've just played, I was going to say it's in the form of a joke. Well, it's not a joke. No prayer is a joke. But my Facebook friends have been commenting on some of the ladders that I've been using, and there was a bit of banter went on about suitable tunes to whistle and sing while you use these ladders up the walls of houses. And I think it was R. Peak. No, it wasn't. It was Dr. Bruce who suggested Nearer My God to Thee. Yeah, good choice, good choice. We've got a bit of rain going on today, so I can't really get a start on any outdoor work. I've been shipping stuff in the trusty Skoda, with the result that I've now got stuff all under my feet, which is not good. You know, this is supposed to be a nice, tidy working area. So I'm taking advantage of the inclement weather, which is going to stop me working outdoors, to make some sense out of hanging ladders on walls, fixing one or two little sort of issues. I'm allergic to lumps of concrete falling out of walls while I'm working under them. Hanging things on the wall, that if you want a band-aid, oh dear, a plaster, all right, plasters, they're not band-aids, they're plasters. If you want a plaster, don't look in this first aid box, it's full of screws and wall plugs and such likes. Someone donated a bathroom cabinet that's got various oils and lubricants and such likes. I suppose you could use that for first aid if you needed it. But yeah, I'm going to be making some sense of some of this. You know, tidying up Tony the Tondeurs and yeah, sort of just de-messing the workshop space.